Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popple Backyard Farm. This year, I'm going to try to attract a new bird to my yard, the Baltimore Oriole. I have never seen one here, but I have friends and family down the road, and they're getting them. They're putting out grape jelly, and the Orioles are coming, so I'm going to try. I'm going to pray that maybe they'll come even though it's late in the year. I may luck out. I hear they like suet, grape jelly, and Oriole feeder. I've heard that they will even eat out of a hummingbird feeder. And they like that sugar water, I hear. So let's see what happens. They are attracted to the color orange. I've heard many people act like their favorite is the grape jelly, so I'm going to shoot for that. Although I have had out here some grape jelly for my bees, just some sugar grape stuff, but I don't have any Orioles yet. So that was like a part of our my bee experiment, so to speak, because I know that they like oranges and fruit, so I had some extra juice, so I put that out, but even the bees haven't been over to this. So I'm gonna have to change. I think it just gets too hot. So anyway, that little feeder there for the bees hasn't been working, so I'm gonna clean that up. But I do have some other birds that are living here. I have birds that come every year and build a nest in here. And these are our pollen feeders for the bees. But we have a little nest in here, and there's a little bird coming out right now. I'm sure she has babies in there. I don't know if you can see them. But somebody is living in there. And we are going to do a lot more this year on attracting the bees this year. So we're going to put up feeders and food. And we picked up a bunch at the store. And then right afterwards that evening, I broke my wrist, arm, whatever. So we didn't get to that yet. And that was on, let me see, it's Wednesday, and that happened on Saturday. Or Monday, I'm sorry. It happened on Monday. So we are anticipating putting a lot more feeders out and planting flowers and things. And as you can see, there's a big bird over there, another one on our mailbox. But the birds love to run through these trees. Now, if you're going to give Orioles food, they say to leave that jelly out in the open. Don't put it high in a tree so that as the birds are coming by, they can see it. So there you guys go. If you have any suggestions or helps to attract Orioles, let me know. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.